Welcome, welcome. And we have the car of the day. Let's take a look. How it looks.
Perfect.
And this is the 2024 Chevy Colorado. And we are doing a black wrap, guys, with a body in gray, yellow stitch. This is a beautiful interior, and I know it has some wrinkles there, but wait until I complete this installation so you can see how beautiful this interior is gonna look. Let's take a look at the toy. Guys, we did this already a few weeks ago, but for some reason the matching of the yellow was not what the client expected, so we want to replace this again. Want to make it match the door panels, the factory door panels, which are in gray. So the new interior is going to be blending along with the stitch. So if you have this controversy, guys, this is the solution. So this is going to be a very nice interior. Let's take a look at the rear. And there's nothing wrong with it, but the taste, the color combination. So you can decide. We have this in different colors and combinations, guys. You can order this at LeatherTeck.com or EM Upholstery Technology.com. Do it yourself, or let us do the installation for your vehicle. So look forward for this video when we complete this installation so you can see how beautiful this interior is gonna look. And if you have questions, please put it in the comments. Like and subscribe. Make an inquiry. We have this for many cars in different colors, combinations, exotics, piping, contrast stitches, different colors, you name it, we got it. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay guys, we have completed the installation for this kit, and I want you to see the difference between the way that it looks when it came out of the box and the way that it looks now that it's installed. So the transformation is obvious, and don't think that all the time you're gonna get these wrinkles out. Sometimes takes a little bit of time for all the wrinkles to be removed, especially if you do it yourself. It's gonna be more wrinkles, guys. If you take it to a professional, it's gonna be a lot more smoother. But over time, I will not say tomorrow, but over time, with the first summer, more or less, few months later, you don't even gonna notice this kit is smoothed out and they look fantastic. But don't take my word for it. Let's take a look so you can see the transformation in place. Let's take a look. How it looks.
Perfect. There, yeah. There you go. Beautiful. Good job, man.
Thank you. So we are delivering the work to our client Guillermo.
Wow.
He has a perfect match for his door panels and the rest of the dashboard pieces that he wanted it. That's why he changed it, because that one didn't match right.
Yeah. Oh wow. I can tell a big difference now.
Big difference. There you have it, guys. So visit LeatherTeck.com, EM Upholstery Technology, so you can get your leather.
That's for Eliseo.
Get it now, guys. Thank you. And it is completed, guys. Now it blends completely. It blends with the dashboard and the console. Guys, this is the results from our kits from LeatherTeck.com or EM Upholstery Technology. Get it now, guys. Double map pockets, beautiful leather deluxe kit. We have this for different colors combinations, guys, for virtually any car. Make an inquiry. Put it in the comments. Like and subscribe. Give me a call. Get rid of the stinky, uncomfortable cloth seats or your old leather worn out seats. Switch to beautiful, comfortable leather. LeatherTeck.com. Approved by Black Rat. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next project. Enjoy.